I don't call it a smoothie because it doesn't taste like a smoothie, it tastes like a salad. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite savory breakfast ideas that will supercharge every cell of your body, leaving you energized for the entire day. Breakfast, literally breaking your fast because last time you ate was yesterday. What you choose to put in your mouth as the first meal of the day determines how you're going to feel all day. You can either charge your batteries or kill them. If you want to know how to heal your body with food, you're in the right place. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here's what goes in. It's time to blend it all together. Oh my gosh, this garlic smell makes me so hungry. You see, when you eat a traditional breakfast like eggs and bacon and bagel, it requires a lot of energy for your body to break it down. So the cells can convert the nutrients into energy. So by the time these nutrients become bioavailable, your body will have spent more energy to convert than you were able to receive from these foods. Hence, you feel sleepy and tired. Everyone says we need protein in the morning, and we are incorrectly led to believe that only animal products are good sources of protein. Let me share a healing secret with you. Shh. The building blocks of plants are also proteins, just plant-based proteins. And they're made up of the same amino acids that our body needs. Plant-based proteins are much more readily bioavailable and healing to our body. And unlike animal proteins, they do not congest our liver or our lymphatic system. Depending on type of blender you have, you can either chop up all the ingredients or just throw them whole. Ground flaxseeds are high in omegas, anti-cancer lignans, fiber. Turmeric, a king of all spices. I talk about turmeric in my other videos, so make sure to check it out. You only need like a little bit, like a pinch. And then you need to activate the curcumin, the active part in turmeric. You only need about a pinch. By adding a pinch of pepper, you activate its powers like 2000%. And final touch, this is what makes it feel like real salad, so don't skip this part. I usually like half a spoon, but you can add to your own taste. Okay, give it a good spin, and it's gonna be ready! Morning salad is ready. Oh my gosh, we almost died waiting for it. Oh, it's just satisfying. Cheers. Give it a try and let me know how you like it in the comments. Like my video and subscribe to my channel so we can cheers our way out of any disease.